Hello everyone! I get this question asked many times. When is the best time to harvest a cabbage? So now I'm actually about to harvest one of my cabbages, which is pretty much due or nearly overdue. I still have a few cabbages in here, but we will have a look at a couple of them. When you see the very first cracks on the outer leaf, that's the point you shouldn't miss. Because if you do, I will show you at the end of the video. I already have one cabbage like this. I didn't notice, I didn't check the garden for 2 days actually, and you will see what happens when the cabbage cracks open. This morning I noticed it's time, so now I'm here and I thought I would make a video as well so you can see it. It's still nice and good. That's the best time to harvest. Of course you can harvest the cabbage anytime. Also, before you see the crack, the other indication for a good and ready to harvest cabbage is, let's have a look in here. So, still perfectly intact, but I can feel it that the cabbage is like really already packed. Pretty much like you can feel it. It's hard to touch, so you know it's filled with leaves inside. And this is also the time when I harvest my cabbage. Otherwise, when I don't harvest it, probably a few days time, it will look like this one. And if I still don't harvest this one, I will show you. Wait until the end, I will show you the disaster. And maybe a few words about when is still not the time to harvest. Of course you can if you want to, but when the cabbage is still smaller in size and when you touch it, it's still like soft to touch. This one still can grow, but I would also harvest if I need a cabbage. But this one is really tiny. Sometimes they grow differently. Sometimes the cabbage next to the smaller one takes all the goodness, and this one had to wait. So I harvested already the cabbages around it. Not this one, but the other ones. And I hope that it still will grow and fatten up, basically. So, very good size, this one. The outer leaves will go to the birds. They love it. So I will just get them up straight away as long as they're nice and fresh. And then we go to the kitchen and I show you my poor disaster cabbage. What here happened actually, you can see it just bursted open, and yeah, still perfectly fine. Of course I will use it, but yeah, lots more to clean. You don't have the clean cut when you cut it through, which is not much drama, but still it's like lots more to clean, because you have to check some of the other leaves as well, and in between still very nice, but not as nice as this one, because when I take the outer leaves, the inside is perfectly fine. Let's have it open. So yeah, I still haven't decided yet. I will do either sauerkraut or my delicious pickled cabbage salad. If you are interested in any of the recipes, check my website, link is in the description below. And now I get into the cabbage. You have a lovely day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider doing so. I hopefully see you next time. Oh, and if you have any questions, comments, put it in the description below. Take care. Bye bye.